Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Asana for managing property rehab tasks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Asana's website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your details to register, or log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, you'll land on your Asana dashboard. To start managing property rehab tasks, click on the Create New Project button. Select the blank project option to customize it for your needs. Give your project a clear name, such as Property Rehab Tasks. Choose a layout that works best for you, either list or board view. After your project is created, click on Add Task to begin entering your rehab tasks. For each task, provide a detailed title that summarizes the action needed. Use the description field to add any relevant details, including deadlines or important notes. Assign each task to the appropriate team member by clicking on the Assignee field. Set due dates for each task to ensure timely completion. If applicable, add subtasks to break down larger tasks into manageable steps. Utilize tags or custom fields to categorize tasks, such as plumbing or electrical. To visualize progress, regularly update the status of each task. You can also attach relevant documents or images by using the attachment feature. Set up project milestones if you have key phases in your rehab process. Use the comments section in each task for communication and updates between team members. Review your project regularly to stay on track and make any necessary adjustments. Asana also allows for integrations, so explore options that can help streamline your workflow. Once your setup is complete, encourage your team to. This will ensure everyone stays aligned on project goals and deadlines. Finally, conduct regular check-ins to discuss progress and any roadblocks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.